YouTubers, here we go again for this Saturday. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one of these at a low cost. Bada boom, CAYNEL multifunctional air fryer with dynamic air technology. Technolog. 3.6 liters, 80% less oil means less fat. Alright. Adjustable temperature control. We're about to see what this beast is going to do. Definitely excited. Multifunction 7-in-1 program cooking settings. LED touchscreen. Whoa. You can do rotisserie chickens. Whoa, it's raining pretty good outside. Let's go take a look. And it's coming down hard. Holy moly. Dang. Alright, staying in today. Now we got this. Oh. That's crazy. Whoa, it's like hail out there. Maybe that's why the game's canceled right now. Alright, so there's that. Dynamic Air Technolog. Good stuff. I got some fries I'm going to be doing a demo on. Onion rings, chicken, even rotisserie turkey. Thanksgiving's coming up, so this will be a nice little housewarming gift for somebody. And oh, look at this, a little bonus they throw in. So there you go. Take a picture of this, send them an email, and you'll get $5 off. There you go. Alright, that's a good bonus right there. And we got the manual, and now let's take a look. Let's see what she's all about. There we go. We got the inside right there, CAYNEL. Oh, it's pretty big. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, now I got it out of the box, out of the package. Look at that beauty. We got the fries. I think that's bacon, lobster, it looks like, a cake, chicken, steak, got the fish. So pretty cool. I cleaned this. It says make sure to just wipe it down. You never know. So I wiped it down good enough. Look how deep that thing is. It's nice. This is a nice one. Never seen one like this. So definitely check them out. Let's turn this thing on. Let's see what she's about. It's 7-in-1 LED. Here we go. Wrong socket. Is there a magic button? She plugged in. Hold on one sec. Okay, I see what I gotta do. Really simple. It is on, so you just gotta go add some fries. It should be good for now. And then once you just grab it by its handle, pick it up, locks in. There we go. See it turned on right there. Whoa. And you want it, I think it's fries. You can set time. Oh. Right there, 400 for French fries. I think it's like 10 minutes or so, or oh no, 15 to 20. I'm gonna pause, and then once it's done, I'll show you the outcome. But look at this. Nice LED, nice blue for 18 minutes. So that's about right, 15, 20, so 18. And some nice tasty French fries coming up. Look how this looks. This is definitely a nice gift for somebody. Really nice. And we got the back side right here. We got the vents. Right there, comes out. Right there. 400. I think it should just go. So I'll be back in a few. And then once you set that all up, you want to hit the start button. Forgot to add that part in. So really sweet so far. Look at that. And like I said, 18 minutes, but I'll cut that down short. But we'll see what the final outcome and the taste. There she is. You can hear her. She's quiet, really quiet. Alright, I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are. We're approaching the final minute, or 2 minutes, of the fries, air frying it. So we're going to check them out, see how it looks. But this thing is not even that hot at all. It's really cool. Oh jeez. I hope I didn't screw that up. Nope, good. Got saved. So there's 2 minutes left. Like I said, it's not even that hot. A little stuff in there, so you want to be careful around here. It's a little hot. But once it's done, let it cool down before you put it away. And make sure you clean it out. I'll show you how that part is set up. Oh, I hope I didn't mess it up. Dang. Hopefully it goes to 1 minute right about now. Let's see. Like I said, yep, there it goes. It changed to 1 minute. So 1 minute left. Countdown. This thing is nice. Nice size. Really cool. It's quiet. You can tell it's really quiet. Definitely interested in trying some other goodies to do with this thing, but right now we're just testing out the French fries. Oh yeah, there we go. Under 30 seconds. It's like the New Year's countdown. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Getting kind of nervous. Here we go. Any second. Here we go. It is done. How do we take it out? Ooh. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, this is nice. Holy smokes. That's not that messy down there. But in case you do it with oil, it might be a little messy, so let it cool down before you stick your hand in it, because it is really hot. So, little shape. Look at these fries. Holy smokes, they're hot. Oh man, I'm definitely going to let these cool down. But you can tell, did a really nice job. That's perfect. Definitely excited to try some onion rings now with this thing. It's the steak. So we're going to try some steak down in the future. Most likely. But right now. Holy smokes. I don't want to eat on camera, so. But let me tell you though, this is amazing. This little air fryer. Check them out. Link down below. Be safe. Have a good one. See ya.